My daughter, Julie Eisenberg, was admitted to the University of Michigan through emergency on June 29, 2022. She was diagnosed with fatty liver disease and anemia and had a multitude of problems. Her kidneys shut down, her liver failed, she was on dialysis, she had multitude of blood transfusions, she had sepsis, reoccurring sepsis, and through it all, she just remained a fighter. We didn't think this was the end, but unfortunately it was.
Hi, my name is Sam Vandiver, and I'm a certified music practitioner with the Gifts of Art program. I'm going to play a Scottish folk song called Loch Lomond.
We first met Sam, I think in July, when he came and he introduced himself. We were not familiar with the Bedside Music and Art program.
Bedside Music is with the Gifts of Art program, and we provide a free service to patients of live acoustic music at the bedside. Everybody loves music. It is really kind of a universal language. There are multiple musicians here every day, Monday through Friday, and we're available and able to come up and play on the floors. For patients, for visitors, for staff, we're here for you, and we want to help the hospital environment be a more relaxing and comforting environment.
One time he came and she was in ICU, and many times she was just not focused on them being there, but yet Sam said she can hear. She can hear.
Being able to offer music really speaks to them, and it immediately reduces stress, it reduces anxiety. They may fall asleep, and we take that as a compliment. That's a job well done.
She looked forward to every single time that they came. Whenever Sam would come in, she'd say, "How about if we play this?" Or if she wasn't feeling well, which oftentimes she wasn't, she would just say, "Play what you like."
The feedback we get is just remarkable. I had a visitor say yesterday when I was playing for a patient, "Wow, you really just brought life into this room." And it's the most validating experience I've had it as a musician and in any job ever.
It took away this constant, I am sick. And you're not defined by your illness. You're defined by who you are. And this music program helped her develop that sense of who she was and gave her some peace and comfort, and gave us all some peace and comfort until the very end.